in Chiquimula, Guatemala, where I'm going to be volunteering for the next few days. I'm here with a group of volunteers along with Vivid Roots and Hopscotch the Globe. We are going to be repairing some schools that are in need.
No, I didn't kill it. It can fall like 3 stories high and it'll be fine.
We just got to the village where we are going to be working, and it was definitely a lot longer to get here than I thought, which is interesting because we drove in, but the majority of the students and the kids who come to the school actually have to walk that entire journey.
Gracias por venir aquí a la escuela. Esa aula está en muy malas condiciones.
They are really happy to have you here. They already know that you bought all these materials for them.
Pero les agradezco con esto que me están apoyando. Sí, los niños estaban sufriendo. Cuando se llovía ahí había agua todo.
So the school is an old one. It was built 30 years ago. People here are extremely poor, you know. You can see it with your own eyes.
Desearles lo mejor a ustedes y que Dios les bendiga por el apoyo que nos están dando.
Jessica is Nando's niece, but they work together for the municipality. He's one of the leaders. He helps make all of this happen. This is one of the classrooms that they had multiple classes in, so we're going to build a wall here and a roof here. Part of the money went to building a hand washing station, so they can actually have a little bit more hygiene. Now they will have running water in the toilets, and they're going to have a big water tank that I'm pretty sure will go above this. That will also help them save water for the dry season. They have a lot of hands, they just don't have a lot of resources.
¿Está rica la comida? Sí. ¿Sí? ¿Te gusta? Bueno, solo a uno le gusta, parece.
There's holes in the roof, which means it's raining during rainy season into the health center, so when women are having babies or taken care of in the health center, there's water everywhere, so they asked us if we could help with that. So of course we said yes, and we added on to the project. So now we have even more impact that we're all going to be able to make, and thanks to everybody coming on this trip.
Everybody get it in here right now.
You try, right? Let's do this, guys.
Convoqué a la comunidad para hacer esta reunión aquí.
We just want to introduce you to them, and we want them to know what you're going to be doing for them.
This is the health center that has a lot of damage from flooding, so they need the roof to be repaired. I got sick and it was really kind of scary. It was kind of an interruption to this video, and I was questioning whether or not to just like pretend like it never happened, but I feel like that's not genuine. This sort of thing happens. This is a really big volunteer project, and this was the first day that we started on this project. So for me to skip out on like half of it makes me feel like a jerk. And I know I shouldn't feel that way. It's just something that happens. People get sick, and there wasn't anything that I could do to control that. I still feel this like pressure because not only for the volunteers and the people there who are there to work on this project are expecting me to do my part, but then also the people who are watching who have supported me and contributed for me to be here. When you're traveling and when you go to countries that are very different from your own, a lot of things like this can happen, a lot of things that are unexpected. Continuing with the program.
Got a big surprise here in the truck for the kids, but they keep wanting to see what's in here. They didn't actually install the playground yet, and all the kids are already playing on it. Something so big for someone else. Thank you so much to all of you who contributed to my GoFundMe and were a part of this. This is where your money went. We're gonna be singing Twinkle Twinkle.
We're gonna be singing.
Like a diamond in the sky, twinkle, twinkle, little star. Yay! Yay! School is actually out already. They already ended all their classes, but the kids have stayed here to play longer on the playground because they don't want to leave. We are just getting ready to have some lunch. The lunch that we are going to be eating today is sponsored by the mayor of this town as a thank you for everything that we've done. So I made it the whole day without getting a single drop on my body, and then Sia came in. Thanks a lot, Sia.
El día de mañana no vamos a estar acá en el establecimiento. Hoy le damos las gracias a cada uno de ustedes.
Hola, buenas tardes a todos. Les quiero agradecer por todo lo que han traído los beneficios de nuestra escuela. Y les doy las gracias por los juegos de diversión, por todos los que nos han brindado. Y si algún día quieren ustedes venir más, les queremos con los brazos abiertos.
Este tipo de juegos no hay en todo el municipio. Es la primera escuela que va a tener esos juegos. Para ellos es algo novedoso.
They were not expecting something so huge like this. They are so happy to have you here.
This is one of the teachers writing in style. We are now done with this school, and that's the end of this day. Next day we are going to be working at another school. The kids were hugging me goodbye and I was kind of really sad. And I've only known them for like 48 hours. That's kind of an unforgettable experience. We are just sitting down with the Rotary Club here in Guatemala, and they gave us some gifts. I have my own Vivid Roots keychain. We are now headed towards breakfast. It is a beautiful morning here on the ranch in Chiquimula. How are you guys feeling?
Awesome.
Incredible. This is our last day of volunteering here in Guatemala, and today we are going to be going to another school to give them a little surprise. All of the computers in here were donated by the Rotarians, who are the people that we had dinner with last night.
But we're also coming in with all this technology, all this stuff that is a little unattainable for a lot of the kids. And we're like connecting to the internet, and we're making videos, and we're doing all these things, and I wanted them to have something that they could use themselves, something that they could keep here. And I got 3 brand new tablets.
Gracias y espero que lo disfruten.
Into that classroom.
¿Están emocionados? Sí. Aquí está la aplicación para la cámara.
After we gave the kids our surprise, they gave us a little gift. It's just a little chocolates and little things inside of a mug that they all prepared for us here today. We're now going to a lookout that's nearby to the school that they created. It's supposed to have a really nice view. That is it for the volunteer project. This was an amazing and unforgettable experience. I'm really happy that I was able to come here. Thank you so much to everyone who contributed. Thank you for always supporting me and allowing me to do what I do in order to help and support other people like the community that we helped out in this video. If you want to learn more about Vivid Roots and more about this project or future projects that they might be doing, I'll put links in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and be sure to subscribe if you want to see more from me. For now, I'm gonna go. So I will see you when I see you. Bye! This video was made possible by my patrons over at patreon.com/REDROMINA. If you like what I do, become a patron and be a part of the exploration.